In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlist or make all your videos private at once, okay? Now, you don't have to make every single video at once, but if you do this process, you'll be able to make all your videos private or unlist them at once, okay? Now, this is my YouTube channel, as you can see. What do I want to do? I want to locate this icon here, okay? Then I locate YouTube Studio, okay? After locating YouTube Studio, I want to navigate to the left here. Then I locate content. I hope you can see my screen clearly. Then you can see these are my videos. If I want to make all videos private, I'll just tap on this. Then you can see I'm only selecting 30 videos, but I've already made my videos private. That's why you can see I'm seeing that at the bottom. Now, if you want to make all the videos private, just click on select all. Then you will locate the edit tag there. Then tap on visibility. Okay, then you can make all your videos. You can unlist all your videos. Then you can confirm that action by doing this. Then just confirm that you understand. Then update videos. So that is how you can make all your videos private or unlist them all at once. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.